Hi, I'm Joe. I'm a principal engineer. I give SolidWorks Premium a 5 out of 5. For more reviews like this, click below. Before using SolidWorks Premium, we used Pro Engineer and CATIA. We switched to SolidWorks because we were looking for a lower cost solution that better fit our use case. We chose SolidWorks Premium because we thought like our engineers would be able to pick it up very quickly with the training that they had already had in CAD. And we also were very impressed with the cost. Getting started with SolidWorks Premium was pretty seamless. If you've had any training in any CAD software at all, it's pretty easy to pick up, and there's just tons of online resources as well if you have any questions about any of the specific tools. If you're considering switching to SolidWorks Premium, I definitely recommend taking advantage of online resources for training, especially YouTube and things like that. There's a lot of really great content out there.